How to fix Facebook profile see dashboard option not showing. So if you want to fix your Facebook profile see dashboard option not showing, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. Once you have an internet connection, then you need to open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines, and then go and switch to your Facebook account. Once you're on your account, now you need to go with the upper right again, which has that three horizontal lines. Tap on your profile, and here as you can see that you'll have a professional dashboard. So if you don't see the professional dashboard option, then your professional mode is not turned on. So if you want to turn on your professional mode, you need to go with the right side, which has three dots, and then tap on turn on professional mode. As you can see that in my case, I have turned off professional mode, but you'll have an option of turn on professional mode. You need to tap on turn on and then go back, and it will be turned on. And in this way, you'll be able to enable your Facebook see dashboard option. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.